And we're back in the attic. And we got 4 flashes on this water source heat pump. It's a carrier. There you go. So if we look here, it tells us it's a condensate overflow fault. So we need to figure out how to get over there. Alright, I'm on the back side, but I can't get to it. That's as far as I can get to. There's another hatch, which is way over there. So I don't know how I'm going to get to that. I can't clear the drain line, because if I clean this, or that, which I still can't get to, I need to clean that. Now, here's the other issue, if anybody sees this. There's a condensate trap there because there's negative pressure because the blower is on the other side of that, so it's cooling, right? Well, they put a vent right there, which means it's probably holding all the condensation. So, yeah. That's not good. So we need to put a cap on that. So if it's positive pressure, air will just blow out of it. But even if it's positive, don't put a trap. There's no point, because anytime you have a vent, it just bypasses the trap, so there's no point to the trap. So if you have a positive pressure system, and you're going to put a vent on it like that, just don't even put a trap on. You're wasting your time. If it's negative, that's required. That way it doesn't just suck the water back into it. So I suspect that it's sucking water into it. It's been like super humid lately, so we have a lot more condensation than usual. So what I'm going to try to do is, I just don't know how I'm going to reach it, but I'm going to have to try to get a cap on that. If I can get to it, then what I'll do is I'll blow it out with some CO2 and then put a cap on it somehow. I have to figure out how to do that, because this will not support my weight. So I don't know how I'm going to get to it, but I suspect that's what the issue is. So we're going to kill power to the unit. That will turn the fan off, which will allow the water to drain out. We'll blow it out if I can get to it, and then we'll put a cap on that. All right, got my cap on there. I blew it out with CO2. Basically, I just stood on this, put all my weight on here, and then reached. Super sketch. I'm gonna recommend that they put a hatch right there. All right, so I found the install manual, but as you can see, right here, it says you can put a vent, but it's supposed to be after the trap, not before the trap. So that's probably our issue. So let's go ahead and turn this thing back on, see if it still has that error code. Hopefully it drained all out. All right, so she's back up and running. We don't have that condensate anymore. And that was all just because they put the trap, or they put the vent before the trap, which bypasses the trap. So basically it just sucks air in there and holds the water. And on this unit, the fan runs all the time, so it was just holding the water. And like I said, it hasn't been a problem before because it's usually pretty dry here, but in the last few weeks it's been super humid, so we actually have enough condensation where it overwhelmed the drain and set off the drain overflow. So anyway, you come across this one, hopefully this helps you out, and hopefully you have better access than I do. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to support the channel, pick up some tools, pick up some socks. Thanks for watching.